I'm Jerry Wall. I'm the Senior Manager of Product Development and Engineering at KNfilters. We're going into a different market that we've never been into before, and we didn't want to come out with a Me Too product. You know, one of the things that makes K&N famous for what they are is we have washable, reusable products, and that was one of the things that this filter had to have when we started, is we wanted it washable and reusable. So to do that, you can't use a paper product. The paper products will break down. The synthetic products are definitely something we had to use. It's hydrophobic, you know, it doesn't break down when you wash it. We contacted our vendor and they actually made us a media special. So we're really the only filter out there that will have this media in it. We were able to fine tune it to get what we wanted. We started down the prototype stage with the aluminum frame, and the filters looked really neat. But we felt they were heavy, we felt they were a little noisy when they'd go up against the housing when the unit would turn on. So went out and built our own tools. We built some injection molds for the corner locks. We built some extrusion molds for the side rails. And we basically made the filter to where we can build any size filter without adding any new tooling. And one of the things also we had to do is the filter element itself had to, you know, interlock into this filter frame, and we figured out a way to do that as well. One of the other big qualities that it had to have is it had to go back to the original specification of airflow, because sometimes when you wash things, you don't get all the dirt out, so you start restricting the filter every time you wash it. And our goals was to go back to the original state after you washed it. And the material we found does that brilliantly. These filters do not use oil. It was important for us not to make the cleaning of this filter difficult in that they're big. We wanted it very, very simple to take out of the unit and wash it and put it back. It does not shrink, it doesn't move, it doesn't bend. It should go right back in the way it did originally, which is the cool thing about this, is that the filter is just as good as the day you bought it after you clean it.